attorney Byron Browne from Gilbert, Arizona. Byron, we talked a little bit about that earlier. Him on the stand, hey, he's a wild card. Before in Galveston, they embraced his eccentricness, if you will, and if he takes the stand again, that will also be part of the narrative here, that he's maybe suffering from a little bit of Asperger's and he's a little off kilter, but he doesn't lie, this Robert Durst. He just tells the truth all the time, and he talks. Could they get away with it?
I mean, it's possible. I mean, anything is possible. As a trial lawyer, you know the jurors tend to do anything and everything at times. So is it possible that Robert Durst takes the stand, testifies on his own behalf, and a jury accepts what he is saying? It's possible. I mean, I believe it's highly unlikely just because of all the publicity Mr. Durst has got over the course of his life has been, at least to my knowledge, fairly negative. And anybody who's paid attention to this, I believe, is going to have an assumption that Mr. Durst is guilty of some criminal activity. And him taking the stand, I think it's genius, and it's not at the same time. Meaning he's going to be a zero or a hero.
Yeah, we'll have
if
to
the
wait
jury
and see.
believes him.
Yeah, we'll have to wait and see how it pans out. In just about an hour, those jurors are going to be heading toward the courthouse. But before that, the judge is going to have this hearing. And it doesn't take a genius to see that Robert Durst's physical condition has deteriorated even over the last 14 months during this break. What's your take? Is there going to be a continuance here? Will the defense get its way?
From what I see, I think that they're going to get a continuance. I mean, these things always come down to what the medical professionals say. So it'll be based largely upon that. But from what I see him in a fragile condition. I see him in a fragile state. I see him in a state that I think a judge is going to determine that he cannot move forward with a trial, or that would be a large appealable issue. So I think that we're going to see a continuance. Is it going to be an indefinite continuance? I don't think so. I think the judge is going to order a continuance for there to be further medical evaluation.
Yeah. All right. We're going to wait and see what happens. We'll have it here. You'll watch it all play out live at Court TV. Again, it's scheduled to begin 9 a.m. Pacific time, noon Eastern. We'll have a camera there, and we'll be able to watch it all live. We're going to step aside, take a break right now. We'll be back with more right after this. This is Court TV, your front row seat to justice.